How do you know this road so well?
We came this way. This way we went home the other day.
Yeah, but I wouldn't remember that. I will have just a general idea.
And over there is where they were doing the track.
On that right.
Just over there.
Oh, we're there already.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
Beautiful. So we came from the right. And we are going to go to the left up here and see what's there. Alright guys, welcome to the Salisbury Plain. All over again.
The planes that are partitioned two ways, one for the public and one for the military.
Black Falcon and I were talking about this ride, and he said he really enjoyed it. So we thought, I really enjoyed it too, that we would come back out here and check it out again. Go explore the places we haven't explored.
And I'm seeing so many things in a different light. I didn't know they had cows out here. Didn't notice that the last time.
Alright, so up here, it was that area where they had a lot of holes. And so we're going to slow down a little bit here. And we are going to finish up the trail over here. Alright. So this is the trail that we didn't go on the last time.
Okay.
There's a trail for the dirt bikers over there. You can just see it's all dried up. How's it going, Daddy?
You're going too fast, Renee.
What?
You're going too fast.
I'm doing 20 miles an hour. Is that too fast?
Okay.
So all the area to the right belongs to the military or the government. Miles and miles of beautiful land. It's nice though that we have a trail out here that we can just kind of ride on.
Trailer, or you mean a truck? Somebody walking their dogs.
Oh Jesus! Watch that rut, Io. a steep hill coming up. Ain't nobody loves me better, makes me happy, makes me feel this way. Ain't nobody loves me better. How you liking it? Oh,
Amazing.
the view, man. Hills and hills
Amazing.
everywhere. So pretty. Look up where the road goes up ahead.
Amazing, the rolling moors and trails and all the greenery.
Got a car coming at
And
us.
of course, the good weather we have today.
Did you hear me? There's a car coming up.
Yeah, I've got a lock on it.
Ain't nobody. You alright?
Yeah. Problem is, a little bit of brakes gets me slipping.
Okay. We're climbing now. Hold.
Good. My ass.
Maybe we should get you a cushion.
What?
Maybe we should get you a cushion.
I don't have any cushion with me.
Oh my gosh.
You're trying to be funny.
I said maybe we
Man.
should buy you a cushion.
Oh, okay.
Here's another hole here.
You don't feel the side shift on your bike?
Sometimes.
Huh?
Sometimes.
Ooh.
But can you imagine Itchy Boots doing this ride like hours and hours?
I'm telling you. Respect.
Oh, the views, man. I just love all of the views out here. I think that was a lot easier getting over here than the ride we did last time. It took us like an hour, right?
Yeah.
To get here.
I mean, how many minutes did it take for us? That includes
It was
even
like a
the
half an
gas,
hour. Yeah. It wasn't very long.
picking up gas. So I got a lock on. Okay. Disregard. Damn. I'm having more of a problem this week than last week with keeping my bike straight.
You all right?
Yeah. I'm stressing a little bit.
You want to pull over and take a break?
Break.
Do you
I'm
want to
even
pull
scared of
over and take a
stopping.
break?
No. So I wonder how many crossings there are.
I don't know.
We have a B crossing, an A crossing. All right, we weren't on any way on this track last week, right?
No, babe. We came, when we got to the junction, we came from the right and we went down the hill. The back of the way we came. We didn't come this way.
Okay, gotcha.
Around the world, are you ready for a brand new beat? And the time is right for dancing in the street. Out in New Orleans and New York City, all we need is music, sweet music. We'll be dancing everywhere. Now the cows are laying down. That's supposed to mean rain.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what you wear, just as long as we are there. So come on, everybody, grab a girl. Everywhere around the world they'll be dancing. Dancing in the street. Across the nation. Baltimore, New Zealand. All we need is music. The USSR, no matter where you're, it's music, sweet music. There'll be music everywhere. There'll be swinging, swaying, records playing, dancing in the street. It doesn't matter what you wear, just as long as you are there. Oh, got a lot of bumps coming up. Watch the holes, baby.
All right. It's going to be a challenge.
Around the world they'll be dancing. Dancing in the street. Dancing in the street. Whoa. Get to dancing. Dancing in the street. Dancing in the street. I guess on the other side is where they do the dirt biking. I don't see any dirt bike tracks on this side anymore.
I might have to agree with you on that one.
There's a calm before the storm, but I know
I don't understand why I'm having a traction problem.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Alright, just let me know if you want to pull over somewhere and have a rest.
Alright.
It'd be really cool if we had a drone. We could send it up out here. We got
Yeah,
some
you're
amazing
right.
views here. That should be our next investment.
You must be kidding me. Some people are jogging here.
Did you see some jogger? Where?
At my back around 5 o'clock position. Yeah, you probably wouldn't sight the target right now.
I wanna know. Yeah, I want to know how Itchy Boots would do this for like hours and days on end. It's fun, but it's not very, I mean, I don't know. Maybe her bike is more comfortable.
When you see it in the video, it looks all easy.
It is pretty easy. It's just kind of bumpy.
And here I am, stressing.
And I don't know. Here's a guy with his dog. I hope he doesn't come after us. He's petting. Good doggy, good doggy.
Now, where the hell did that guy come from?
I don't know. It's a good place to just kind of let your dog go, though. As long as these has good recall. It looks like a motorbike track over there.
Yeah.
Wonder if you can get back there for motorbikes.
This is miles and miles of just trails on the plains here.
I know, it's
So
just great.
I can't understand how people take dog walks or jog or even take a walk. Or even with the bikes, the cycles.
All right, so I guess, yeah, we can still go straight. crossing. See, do you want to see where we are on the map? There's some kind of a town up there.
I don't know, Renee. I'm just with you. But it looks good there. There are some houses there.
Let me see what this sign says back here. I can't even read it. Something. Byway, byway, byway. This one says a byway both ways. I guess we could go both ways. We'll go straight?
Yeah.
There's a big truck
I
coming
don't know,
up there.
Renee. Let's go straight.
Are you all right? You don't sound very happy. All right, let's just pull over here on the side.
What? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, you can come in front. Oh. Yeah. All right, the Great Plains of Salisbury. And Ruby Red Robin is behind me. She's
Why you got your signal
got
on?
the handle, and we'll be swapping around shortly. I have no idea of where my plot is on the Great Plains. Am I in the middle? Am I to the north of it? Am I to the west? No idea. The good thing is I'm on ground though, so if I do run out of gas, at least all I need to do is just move the bike to the side and get a jerry can of gas and fill it up.
We just filled up the gas. I don't know what you're talking about if you run out of gas.
All right, Renee, you should stay with the script sometimes.
And where the hell are you going to go to get gas?
If that old guy can take a walk and pass me here and I don't know where he's going, then I can find gas somewhere.
Oh, ow. Hello, cows.
They're all happy campers here.
Bum, 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 bum.
Oh, Renee, I've messed up
Yeah,
again.
what? There's a car coming up behind us,
Okay.
Io. What are you doing? What's the problem?
It's
What's
my
the problem? What about
Hmm?
your phone? What about it?
So, don't know where I have it right now. I had my pocket open here, and I'm praying that I have it in my box behind me. So give me a moment.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Are you okay? What happened?
I was trying to put it on my God. All right.
And you're standing on the gravel?
Yeah. All right, come and help me. Thanks. All right.
All right, you got it? All right. Quite an exciting ride we're having
Tell
here.
you. There we go. Oh God. Sweet Renee, thanks.
Yeah, I don't know how I would do that if I was out here by myself. That would actually suck.
All right. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
All right.
Always
Let's go
ready.
before this gas
There's cars
comes.
now
Let's
behind us.
go before they.
No, let's just let them pass.
No.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on up here though. Something must be happening. There's a lot of traffic.
Yeah, I think they are moving horses.
Whew. All right, there's another car coming up. Should we go?
Let's go. Yes, let's
no?
go.
All right, look at all the dust coming up. There's music in the air and lots of loving everywhere. So give me the night. Yeah, give me the night. A little late romance reaction.
Ruby Red Robin. That was me going down in slow motion. This is my second deliberate bike drop.
Deliberate, is it?
Yeah, it was.
Hilarious.
It was deliberate. I didn't want to put too much effort in trying to hold it as as it was leaning to the left. So that's what I call it. Intentional, deliberate drop.
We gotta be in love, 'cause I Yeah, I wonder what's going on up here. I wonder if they're having. We should just stop and see what's happening. Oh, it's horse riding, isn't it? You want to stop and see? You want to stop and watch?
Yeah, we could do that. All right, these are military riders.
Wow. So there's like a whole horse track out there.
That is interesting. All right. Amazing.
People are just coming, so I wonder what time it actually starts. It's already 10 o'clock.
So, Renee, we should get some horses too and start riding out there.
Huh.
interested.
I wonder if they're gonna
Cool.
be racing or what. The home of military training, military racing.
I'm sure these guys come from all over.
There's a dirt bike out there. Yeah, they're just running all over the place. All right,
Yeah.
we go.
So, you know, just paddle with your bike here.
Trying to find a way out here. I think she lost her horse. Where are you? Oh, look at that guy. Oh, she got him finally. All right, guys, I think we're going to end the video here. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.